Hey everybody, it's RV cleaning time. Yep, and these awnings, they get pretty dirty pretty fast just because they're out in nature. So I'm gonna try 3 products and we're gonna see which one is the easiest to clean, which one does the best job. And let's see, I have got, let me turn the camera around so you can see my products. My first product is this Comco awning cleaner. I'm going to apply it with this cloth and I'm just going to, dip it and then wipe it. I don't have a spray container. I think you're supposed to spray it. I'm not sure. But I'm just going to wipe it on and let it sit. Okay, well, I changed my mind. I'm just going to pour it onto the cloth and just wipe it. I'm being lazy, I know. Let's see what happens. Oh, I don't know if you can see. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, camera. You can do it. Right there. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see. It's just literally wiping off. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And just so easy. I'm literally just wiping it off. Okay, well, that's pretty good. Look at all the dirty come off on the rag. I know, I got the sun to my disadvantage here. Anyways, let's try number 2. Okay, number 2 is totally awesome. You can buy it at most of the dollar stores. Okay. I've tested this before. It's safe. It's never done any damage. I use it on my RV a lot. It actually just got all the black marks off from rolling in your slide, touching the rubber. Let's see if I can get a good camera angle. I don't know. Okay, this, I just spray it on. And let it sit for a second. And then get my rag. Oh, that works just as good as the awning cleaner, but it only cost $1. There's your advantage there. Alright, my last product. Let's get that. Oh, and I am rinsing in between. You guys don't see it, but I am rinsing. No worries. Okay, my last product is just Dawn. And it's cleaning it just as easy too. Oh boy, we have a tie. So, oh well. I'm gonna finish using the awning cleaner since I already paid for it. And I don't know, maybe it has some conditioners or something in it. So, anyways, I still got that to do. And the other side, this is just my slide out awning. Got a lot of work. Talk to you later. I'm tired. It's a lot of work. I'm gonna have links below for those products. But just an overall rerun. They're all just as easy to use as each other. The Comco awning cleaner, the Dawn, the Totally Awesome. The Comco cleaner is the most expensive, but it does have a conditioner for the awning, and it is made for RVs, so that's probably the wisest choice. But if you're trying to save money, Dawn or Totally Awesome are good alternatives. The Totally Awesome is kind of hard on your hands. It's citrus based. I know it kind of burns after a while and might want to wear gloves, but the awning cleaner doesn't, and obviously Dawn doesn't. So thanks for watching and hope this helps. So happy cleaning.